Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Assistant Professor Mr. Keshav Shyam Pakhre, Department of Chemistry, Anandibhai Ravrani Art Commerce Science College, Vaibhavadi. Today we will see the unit number 1, chapter number 2, lecture number 6, Molecular Orbital Theory. In this video, we will cover the energy level diagram for polyatomic molecule, and the example is triatomic hydrogen molecule, linear H3 molecule. In previous lecture, we have already seen the energy level diagram for diatomic molecule, but in this lecture, we will see the triatomic hydrogen molecule. The molecular energy level diagram for polyatomic molecules, the MOT, molecular orbital theory, which we have applied to homonuclear and heteronuclear diatomic, may successfully be applied for the construction of molecular orbital energy level diagram for polyatomic molecules or ions. In the present section, we shall study the energy level diagram for polyatomic species, that is H3. Before constructing the molecular orbitals in polyatomic molecules, one of the central atom, other atom as peripheral atoms. The orbital of peripheral atoms combine to form group orbitals. For example, in H3 molecule, the central hydrogen atom is known as central atom and the remaining terminal atoms are known as peripheral atoms. That means two hydrogen atoms. According to the LCMO method, that means linear combination of molecular orbitals method, molecular orbitals in polyatomic molecules or ion are formed by the combination of atomic orbital of the central atom with group orbital of peripheral atoms. The correct combination can be obtained by considering the matching algebraic sign of the central metal atom and peripheral atoms. Such combinations are known as symmetry adopted linear combinations. On the basis of this principle, polyatomic species are studied. The linear H3 species, which has the point group D infinity H. Let us consider the hypothetical case of H3 species which may be considered to have linear geometry. That means 3 hydrogen atoms lie in a straight line. In H3, the terminal or peripheral hydrogen atoms may be denoted as HA and HB, and the central atom may be denoted as HC. The terminal hydrogen atom may combine using their 1s orbital to produce ligand group orbitals. That means ligand group orbitals, that means LGOs. These LGOs are formed by the addition of atomic orbitals and by subtraction of atomic orbitals. That means the ligand group orbital, that is Psi1, is formed by the combination of Psi1s atomic orbital of HA and Psi1s atomic orbital of HB, which is represented by diagrammatic representation. This is the Psi1s HA, this is the Psi1s HB. By the addition, the molecular orbital is formed, that is ligand group orbital is formed, that is Psi1. In similar way, by subtraction of atomic orbitals, Psi2 is formed. Here Psi2 is equal to Psi1s of HA minus Psi1s of HB. That means 1s atomic orbital of HA is subtracted with Psi1s atomic orbital of HB. It forms Psi2 ligand group orbital. These ligand group orbitals further combine with central hydrogen atom. These two hydrogen groups will combine with 1s orbital of the central hydrogen atom, that is HC. The symmetrical hydrogen group orbital will combine with the symmetrical 1s orbital of the central hydrogen atom to produce the following delocalized molecular orbitals. Out of that, one is bonding and another is antibonding. Here Psi1s atomic orbital of Hc is combined with Sahai1 group orbital, that means LGO, which forms two molecular orbitals. First is bonding molecular orbital, which is formed by the addition, and that of another is antibonding molecular orbital, which is formed by the subtraction. Here Sahai1s plus Sahai1 combine to form 1 sigma orbital, and Sahai1s minus Sahai1, that means Sahai1s minus Sahai1s plus Sahai1s, these two are ligand group orbitals, that is HA and HB combined to form ligand group orbitals, which are further subtracted with HC forms 3 sigma orbital. Apart from these two bonding and antibonding orbitals, Sahai2 forms non-bonding molecular orbital, which is denoted as 2 sigma. This diagram can be further represented by another way or another representation. The central hydrogen atom cannot provide any suitable atomic orbital to combine with the unsymmetrical hydrogen group orbital Sahai2. Hence, the non-symmetrical hydrogen group orbital remains as non-bonding. Thus, we have the molecular orbitals as shown in figure 11 and 12. Here, figure 11 shows that 3 molecular orbitals are formed, out of which one is bonding, which is formed by the addition of ligand group orbitals, and the central HC, that means 1s orbital of central hydrogen atom, which is denoted by 1 sigma, and another, that is antibonding molecular orbital, which is formed by the subtraction of ligand group orbitals and 1s atomic orbital of central hydrogen, that is HC, which is denoted by 3 sigma. But apart from these two molecular orbital, another molecular orbital, that means non-bonding molecular orbital, is formed, which is denoted as 2 sigma, which is formed without any combination, because the matching symmetrical orbital of HC is not available to combine with ligand group orbital. Here in figure 12, the molecular orbital energy level diagram for H3 species is represented as, on my left hand side there is atomic orbital of hydrogen, that is 1s, and on my right hand side there is atomic orbitals of 2 hydrogens, 1s, and here is also another 1s. These two atomic orbitals of 2 hydrogens are combined to form ligand group orbitals, and these ligand group orbitals further combine with the HC, 1s atomic orbital of HC. They forms 2 molecular orbitals, one is 1 sigma and another is 3 sigma, that is bonding and antibonding. Bonding molecular orbital is filled with 2 electrons, but the antibonding molecular orbital remains empty. Further, the remaining 1s electron of another hydrogen atom does not combine with any other orbital of 1s because of unavailability of atomic orbital of HC. Therefore, it will remain as non-bonding, that is denoted by 2 sigma. So, this is the molecular orbital diagram of H3 molecule. Thus, the electronic configuration of H3 may be written as follow, that is sigma bonding molecular orbital, that is represented by B, sigma B raised to square, that is bonding molecular orbital has 2 electrons. Next, sigma non-bonding molecular orbital, which possesses 1 electron. This electronic configuration can be rewritten in another way, like 1 sigma raised to square, 2 sigma raised to 1. In the linear H3 molecule, the bond order is 1, Thus, the bond order per link is 0.5. In fact, non-bonding molecular orbital sigma non-bonding raised to 1 containing an unpaired electron is weakly antibonding. This antibonding effect between terminal atom destabilizes the system. The H3 species is very unstable. If ever synthesized, it decomposes exothermically according to the following equation. The equation is 2H3 gives 3H2. That means triatomic molecule is converted into diatomic molecule. This reaction is exothermic. That means the energy is evolved during this reaction or during this decomposition. This is because the product of the above reaction have a total bond order of 3 in 3H2 molecule, whereas the reactants have a total bond order of 2, 1 in each of the H3 species. So this is all about the molecular orbital diagram of H3 species. Thank you.